Hello everyone, this is Parrish. Today is April 1st, 2012, time 12 a.m. This video is about a dream which was given to me on March 23rd, 2012. This dream is quite short. The first thing I recall about this vision is that I found myself standing inside an American city. I believe I may have been in Brooklyn, New York. Nevertheless, I felt compelled to look up into the sky. And when I looked up into the heavens, I spotted this reddish spherical object. And before I left this dream, this real quick dream, I noticed that there was a reddish or even darker thing on the left side of this reddish spherical object. It came off to me as if it was like, I got the impression it was like almost like a flap of skin. Of course, it's not a flap of skin, but it was distinct. It was a different thing on its surface compared to what was going on here. So when I saw this, it felt to me as if, it's kind of hard to explain. It felt as if some type of chemical reaction was taking place upon this red object. I guess if it has an atmosphere, then the atmosphere was changing. The closest thing I would say, I believe I dreamt of seeing something, I guess, kind of similar, pertaining to a reddish spherical object that I saw in my dream. Here in this video called Parrish's Future Prophecy Part 5, Section 10, letter S, 1 of 9, which is in my YouTube channel called Amazing 2007 Full, which I uploaded on May 17, 2011. And in this video, I speak about a reddish orange spherical object that I saw in my dream, and that this object had black lines upon its surface, and it also had a moon, a very white, smooth looking white object, a circular object in front of it. So let me just play the video to show you guys that I believe I dreamt of something similar to this. Okay, so let me play this video.
The next number in this piece is the number 3. This piece is called Section 10, 3 Sun Dream, or S10, 3SND. In the month of April 19, 2010, I recorded this dream inside my dream book. Today I dreamt that I was outside somewhere inside an American city. The sky above me was gray. Then I took my eyes off the sky, and then my eyes began to focus upon the people around me. I see mostly white people in spring or summer wear running around frantically. It appeared to me that the people I seen were running to get out of the way of 4 or 5 inches of water that moved upon the ground before them. The water upon the ground was moving in many directions. I believe that I seen water going into several subways entrances. I sensed no fear, but I only picked up urgency in the air. Then the next thing I recall inside this dream was that I once again looked up into the sky, and then I seen the orange or reddish sphere object I've been seeing a couple of times in my dreams. But this time around, I noticed the orange sphere was closely behind something that looked like a white, smooth sphere or moon. For some reason, this moon-like object in front of the orange sphere did not look like Earth's moon. The orange sphere-like object, the orange sphere-like object, it appeared to be that this white object, or this moonlight white object, appeared to have like just eclipsed this orange circle object in the sky, and it was kind of hard to find exactly what was going on in the sky. And like I said, the white object, the moonlight object was in front of the orange sphere. They were almost like back to back, belly to belly, very close. And it appeared that the orange and moonlight object were moving towards Earth. It was hard to tell what these two objects were doing in the heavens because I just glanced at them for about 2 or 3 seconds. Then after I took my eyes off the objects, I just discovered that I had a blank white sheet of paper in my hand, and I also held a black pen in my hand as well. I then began to draw what I had just seen in the sky above. Then I drew on the Big Dipper, or something that looked like the Big Dipper, on the left side of the spheres. Next, I showed my drawings to some people who suddenly gathered around me. I told the people around me that I believed the spheres might have something to do with the Big Dipper. Then I believe a male voice said these short words: "They will come from the west." And I made an illustration, drawing of what I seen in the sky. Okay, so after I took notice of the objects, and then the people around me, I noticed, like I said, a sheet of paper appeared before me in a blank pen. So the first thing I drew on.
You're gonna have some type of technical problems with my computer, but anyhow. So the reddish object is behind this moonlight object, and the red light object had black lines on its surface. So I would say it's kind of similar to this. It was not, you know, this is not completely black, but it's different from the other part of the I guess planet or sun. Okay, let me see if I try to compare the two a little bit there. That and this. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and everyone have a nice day. Take care.